lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is me Sharmin and today I'm going to show you how you can take hot towel steam at home. Before taking hot towel steam for your hair, you have to secure your hair properly. You can see I already oiled my hair. It's good to take hair steam on your hair after oiling your hair or after using hair spa cream on your hair. I always take hair steam after oiling my hair. Do a updo bun like me, and now I'm going to prepare the steam towel. Take a bowl and then take normal water in it. Now I'm going to dunk a dry towel into this water, normal water, and the towel should be little bit long, not so long. It should cover your hair and head. Now I'm going to squeeze the excess water from it. I squeeze the water from this towel and now I'm going to heat this towel into a microwave. I didn't set the power level and time yet. You have to put your wet towel into a microwave like that. Set it like that, and now I'm going to set my heat temperature and time. First I am setting the power level of this oven and then I'm going to set the time.
Please select the power level by pressing the microwave button repeatedly. Please set the cooking time.
I'm setting the time for 2 minutes and then I am pressing the start button. So you can see it's start. If your towel is a little bit thick, then you can heat it for 3 minutes. It's depend on your towel weight size. You can see that my towel is heated, and you can see hot steam is coming out from this towel. Now I'm going to wrap this hot towel around my head. You have to do it carefully and you have to do it quickly, otherwise this hot towel will go cold. Make sure the hot towel is not so hot, otherwise your skin can be burned. After wrapping this towel, I'm going to wait for 5 minutes. If you think that or if you feel that your towel is getting cold, then you can heat it again, or otherwise you can use 2 towels and then you can use it twice. Okay, I wrap this hot towel around my head and now I'm going to wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to wash off my hair with the shampoo and then I'm going to use conditioner as usual. And if you don't have microwave, then don't worry, there is another video where I use hot water to steam my towel. So you can see that video too. This is my second video of hair steaming. I will give the link of that video where I used hot water for steaming my hair. Check my description box of this video and also check the past comment of this video. You will find it. Hot towel steam have so much benefit for your hair. Here are these benefit for your hair. Have a look on it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, then you can give a like, and also you can show some love by subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe yet. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Love you all.